Hello, good morning everybody. Today is 1st of March. So let us make something very interesting today for lunch. I am making vegetable lasagna using bread. Usually for lasagna sheets are used, but I will be using homemade bread, wheat flour bread, which I have made, and the recipe is there in case you want to follow it on my YouTube channel. Let us begin with the ingredients. I require vegetables. I have taken mostly all the available vegetables, colorful ones, because I want to make this into a very delicious vegetable lasagna. That is carrots. I have taken peas. Then I have taken baby corn, mushrooms, zucchini. Then I have taken a few pieces of colorful capsicums, spring onion. And I will be adding to this broccoli also, a few pieces, few florets. Then I have chopped garlic, 7 to 8 pods, absolutely fine, 3 to 4 green chilies, and ginger. You can either grate it or you can chop it into small pieces. So let us begin with the procedure. Heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and then add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. When it melts, add the ginger, garlic and green chilies to it. Add the ginger, garlic and green chili and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the vegetables. And saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. While the vegetables are getting done, let us prepare the dish in which we are going to make lasagna. I am taking this baking tray and I am going to grease it with little butter and then place 2 slices of bread on it. This is my homemade wheat flour bread. I am going to chop 2 slices and make them into halves and fit them on the tray. I have cut the slices lengthwise and fit them in the tray, which is greased with butter. The vegetables have become quite soft. I think I will add some salt and black pepper to this now. Be careful with the salt, since I am going to add sauces also, so it should not be more. Add salt and add black pepper. I have added salt as per taste and little bit of black pepper. It depends how spicy you like it. Now I will add cheese spread and chili garlic sauce to this. I am adding 1 tablespoon of cheese spread and chili garlic sauce to this. In case you don't like cheese, you can make white sauce using maida and milk. First you take little butter, add maida to it 1 tablespoon, roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add milk and let it thicken. When it thickens, use it as white sauce to the vegetables. Now the vegetables are done, I am putting it off. Now on these bread slices I am going to spread some cheese sauce. This is cheese sauce which is available nowadays in the market. It is very tasty and it is with green chutney, flavorful. So I am going to spread this on the bread slices and then on that I will spread little bit of pasta sauce. I will spread pasta sauce and cheese sauce. Now on this I will add the vegetables. I have spread the vegetable layer on this. Now little bit of bread I will make it into crumbs and sprinkle on top. Spread some cheese sauce on top. It depends, in case you are not a cheese, if you don't like cheese, then you can add white sauce that you have made on top. And then you can add some chili sauce, chili garlic sauce, to give it a nice taste. Now preheat the oven 200 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it heat first and then put this in the oven for 15 minutes. I have sprinkled little oregano to give it a nice taste. Now I am putting it in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees temperature. In case you don't like cheese, you can make white sauce using maida and milk. First you take little butter, add maida to it 1 tablespoon, roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add milk and let it thicken. When it thickens, use it as white sauce to the vegetables. Now the vegetables are done, I am putting it off. After 20 minutes in the oven, the lasagna is set and it is ready to serve. Remove a piece and serve. This is very delicious lasagna. You will really enjoy it. It is absolutely tasty, yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. This is a very yummy lasagna and you can make it with 2-3 layers of bread slices also. I did not want to make it very heavy, so I did it only with 1 layer. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Have a good day and do get vaccinated when your turn comes. Keep safe, wear a mask and social distancing and enjoy yourself. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai. Goodbye.